honey, honey. Like, do y'all need, do y'all, you want me to come, close? Okay. Like, honey, what?
You're such a man. You got the whole world in your hands.
What's up, Slay Babes? It's your girl Desiree, and you know I came to slay. So in today's videos, I'm just going to be unboxing and basically showing you guys how I applied this wig that Nikiss hair sent me from Amazon. So basically right now, I'm just going to be showing you guys exactly what came in the box. So it came packaged like this, which is really nice. Came with this little purple bag. It also came with wig cap and an adjustable strap as well. So if you wanted to sew that on, you definitely could. So that's just what came in the box. Nothing really, spectacular or anything like that. But I'm just going to show you how the hair looks as well, because out the package you could really wear this hair if you wanted to, but I'm not straight out the box kind of girl. I gotta do my little extra steps and all of that stuff. So that's just what we're gonna do right now. So basically what we're going to do is I'm going to show you guys how I bleach the knots on my wig. And it's going to be in fast time because nobody got time to sit here and do this. It's pretty repetitive. You're just going to make sure you have a thick consistency of your bleach or whatever you're going to use to bleach your knots, so that it doesn't bleed through. And you're just going to want to pat and kind of pull it all over the wig and let it sit. And that's basically it.
Purchase beats with no tax. DavidSoniaBeats.com. Purchase beats with no tax.
So for the next thing, you're just going to see me, I'm going to be actually going on the wig, and I'm using bedhead because I actually ran out of Got to Be glue, so I'm using this as an alternative. And I want to say that this hold is probably a lot better, as far as like hold wise, but I really feel like they're both the same, except this bedhead costs like $20 in like big hands. So yeah, there's that, really ghetto. So yeah, I pull my baby hairs out first. I find this method gives me more of a hair
David
like
Sun
Eric and Tay-ish, like very
purchase
clean and
beats
crisp
with no
look. So
tags.
this just works better for me. This method, you can do it however you want, but
DavidSonyaBeats.com. Purchase beats with no tags.
now you're gonna see me tying up my hair because you're gonna want to tie it down after you get done gluing it so that it stays in place and kind of molds that into place.
DavidSonyaBeats.com. Purchase beats with no tags.
You're gonna see me doing is I'm gonna be styling this hair, and I'm just gonna do a half up, half down because I just didn't want to wear it down because I wanted to try something different. So you're gonna want to get your water and your brush, and you're just gonna want to put it up and just kind of mold that into the look that you want. If you are not into this, then you definitely don't have to do this. You can just leave it down and it'll be perfectly fine. But
DavidSonyaBeats.com. Purchase beats with no tags.
I think I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut my baby hair, and I'm cutting it on rather short because I like the short wispy look. So basically that's what I'm doing here. Then after you get done cutting them, you're gonna want to get your whatever kind of mousse you like, and I like this one because it doesn't leave like that really hard cast. And then you're just gonna want to start to mold them. That face you see there is me realizing that I cut too much baby hair out. I mean, I left too much baby hair
Purchase
out,
beats with no tags.
and me trying to figure out what to do with all the hair. So yeah, this is gonna take some time, and it's just trial and error. So just keep playing with them because my baby hair is looking really fucked off right here. But I'm gonna fix that after this video.
www.sonyabeats.com. Purchase beats with no tags.
What's up, Slay Babes? It's your girl Desiree, and you know I came to slay. So if you are not already a part of the Slay Bang fam, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right there. Also, don't forget to comment and like this video as well. So I'm not even gonna hold y'all long. Y'all see this hair on my head, and I'm gonna tell y'all where it came from. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get into the video. Alright, you guys, so I'm here today because Nikiss hair store off of Amazon reached out to me and they wanted me to do a review on this hair. Now, y'all know I do this, so anything that I do, whether it's review, paid, whatever, I'm gonna always keep it 100, and that's a book, okay, period. So there's that. Okay, so this hair is from Nikiss hair, okay, and this is an 8-inch bob. It's 150% density, and it is a 13x4-inch lace frontal. I'm gonna show you guys how I bleached the knots, and I'm gonna show you guys also how I styled this hair in this video. So I don't know if I'm gonna put that at the beginning or not, but no, I'm gonna put that at the beginning so y'all can see that. But I'm gonna show you guys how I bleached the knot and how I actually styled this hair. So like I already told you guys, I already gave you all the specs on this hair. The hair came in this box. You can't see their logo because somebody put my my shipping label on top of that. So normal people, you can see the but it's just gonna come out because somebody ain't do right, you know what I'm saying? Somebody ain't do right, so you can't see the logo on the hair or whatever. But like I told you guys, this hair is from Amazon, and this is what the box looked like. And my hair came in this little purple little thing right here, so you can keep your wig in this, and also came in a bag. And I also got I got an elastic strap so that you can sew it on if you would like to. And I also got a pack of wig caps. So that's all that came in the box. Nothing spectacular or anything of that sort. But let's just talk about how this hair feels. So this is my first day actually wearing hair. I installed it and did everything, all of that today, and I just styled it like this because I wanted to do something different instead of just wearing it down. So I did like a half up, half down type look, which really suits me. Like, I really like this look. Like, this is a look. Like, yeah, I love this. Okay, but the hair is super soft. When I washed the hair, I'm not even gonna cap y'all, I got no shedding. I got no shedding. Like, I don't know, but like, I didn't get any shedding. Should I say it again for emphasis? I got no shedding when I washed this hair, okay? So the knots, they bleached really well. Like, they bleached really well. I didn't have any problems bleaching the knots. The hairline was really nice. Like, you could have got away with not plucking, you know, if you're like a beginner or whatever, you could get away with not plucking the hairline because it just comes like it comes like you literally just put it on your head, you know what I'm saying? So that's good. Take note of that. Check. Honestly, I really don't have anything bad to say about this hair right now because, like I told y'all guys, this is the first day wearing it, but I absolutely love it. The curl pattern, love. Okay, I love this curl pattern. Okay, the hair is extremely soft, and like, it looks like my natural hair. Like, I mean, like, not my like natural hair, but like, you know, it looked like it could like be growing out of my scalp. Like, honey. Like, you want me to come close? Okay. Like, honey, what? baby, when I tell y'all that I did that, they did that, we did that collectively as a group. We did. I'm gonna tell you how much this hair cost, you guys. It cost $69. This hair in this particular length that I have right here cost $69. And I don't know what it is with me, but I've been really leaning more towards shorter hair because it's hot, and I'm getting to the point where I really don't like a lot of stuff on my, like a bunch of hair on my neck. Like, it just gets so wetty and tangly, and I'm just not in that right now. Like, usually in the like fall is kind of like when I try to pick up on the longer lengths because it's not as hot. But baby, this little short length right here is really doing it to me. It's giving me, like, you know, what is it giving me? What is it giving you? What is it giving? What is it giving? I don't know, but it's giving that. It's doing what it needs to be done, okay? It's doing what it needs to be done. But that's pretty much it, you guys. Like, that's all I have to say about the hair. Love the hair, love them. Communication was really good. That's really it for this video, you guys. If you guys want to see a video about how the hair is holding up later down the line, please leave a comment down below. Otherwise, I will not know that y'all are interested in that. So y'all have to talk and let me know. Communication is key, okay? So just let me know what y'all want me to do about that. If there's anything else that you guys would like for me to do, let me know as well, because y'all don't understand, like, just here recently, like, I've been gaining like so many subscribers. So hey to all new subscribers, if you are a new subscriber or if you've already been here and you're watching this video, please comment down below because I have something special. Now, if you make it to the end of this video and you see this and you don't comment, like, are you dumb? Are you dumb? Like, leave a comment down below and let me know down below where you're from and like what type of videos you guys would like to see more of me, because baby girl. So let's just go ahead and end this video. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below. Leave me a comment and like the video, and that's on what period poo. See you guys in my next video. Bye.